together.
Push the play now, go.
I'm adding on to the piece up under the sink, kitchen sink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You take it, you measure it, see what you need to cut off of it. You take it, measure.
Look at the light here. Okay. Tape measure is.
Where's the tape measure?
I want this 17.
I just see it.
Right there. Yeah, you get 1,000 years old.
Yeah.
You go 1,000.
Right.
Okay, you want to measure it.
It's a tab to go on there, so you measure from the wall, not to here, but to back to here.
Okay.
That's the locking lip.
Okay.
That locks it in. So that's a 10. Mark your 10. Go to your tile cutter. You can buy these at any Home Depot, just like the ones you used to use in school. Cutting paper and all that good stuff.
Similar to the paper cutters.
Right, similar to the paper cutter. They got big paper cutters about for the long tiles like this here. Also, the 12 by 12s. Line it up with your blade. Where's the markers over on the side? See the mark?
Right, I gotta wait.
Line it up with the blade.
Okay.
And then you cut.
Okay.
Real easy.
Okay, then.
Then you snap it in.
Now, what kind of tile is this called?
Floor tile.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Pick your hammer and your pipe and lock it in.
Okay. Okay, there you go.
You got to put this back in because the floor has got a dip in it. That's from repairing the floor.
Yeah. If it was getting wet from the zinc.
Yeah, it had a leak in it. Pull this back out.
Okay. Okay, you gotta wait. There you go.
There you go.
Okay.
Somebody coming in now.
You didn't get it in there. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Sometimes it don't always go smooth.
Nope. There you go.
Okay.
Locked in.
Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go.